Good day and welcome back to the channel. So this is part 2 to the DK 4510 with the hydrostat leak. Let's jump into it. Right now I'm pumping the tank out so I can pull the tank. Pull this out of the way so I can have access to the hydraulic lines down in there. Make this easier. I gotta pull the wiring harness from the back forward. Fuel tank's out, so let's take a quick look at this side. Oh, leaking. You can see the leak in there. So I'm assuming it's coming from up there, down, running out. But I gotta get this off. This has gotta come off. These two have to come off. The whole wiring harness from front to back's gotta come off. And then we should be good to separate her. So I'm not quite exactly sure where I left off with this. I got pulled off. I had to do a big delivery and then a pickup for a service call and whatnot. But I got the fuel tank out of the way. Got the hydraulic oil drained. I got the wiring harness pulled forward. So now I'm gonna put the drain plug back in, pull the oil out of the way, and then start removing linkages, brakes arm, hydraulic lines, the main suction line for the hydraulics, and then should be able to start splitting it, part and C's. I have to get my jack set up and block the front ends of what shouldn't rock. It shouldn't rock because it's got the loader on it, but just to be safe. So I'm gonna set the camera up in time lapse again and we're gonna get to all this, and then I'll catch up with you after it's split. So as you've seen in the time lapse, I took the brake arms off. I took the linkage off here because I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna have to take this off. I know if I gotta remove the hydrostat out of the unit, I'm gonna have to take that off. Banjo out of here. That line undone. Suction line undone. Let's move to the other side of the tractor here. Brake arms out of the way again. We got this line undone, that line undone, this line undone, which goes to the hydrostat filter. One thing I would like to note, that if you are doing this, all these banjo fittings that you loosen or take off, that you replace the O-rings. I put both O-rings on here. As you can see, they're flat now. They're supposed to be nice and round. You're in here, you're doing it, you gotta take it apart. The best thing to do is to replace them before you put it back together, so you don't have to do all this work all over again. So now I'm at the part where I'm gonna let it drip for a little couple minutes, and then I'm gonna get my jacks all set up and get ready to split it. So catch up with you when I'm ready to split it. Jacks are set. Those are set. Wheel chocks are set. Let's get started. Oh, she's apart. Inspecting it, no leaks back here. The leaks are up in here somewhere. So I still gotta take the hydrostat out. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. That linkage there, that standpipe there. And then I should be able to weasel it out. But yeah. So this is gonna wrap up part 2 for this tractor. In the next video, I will be pulling out the hydrostat unit and finding the leak, replacing what is bad, and putting it back in. And yeah, so I'll catch up with you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel, helps me. Greatly appreciate it, and have a great day.